In this video, we will show you how to make double space in Google Docs. To make double space in Google Docs, it's very easy. We can also save SD file, and every we create a new file, it will double space format. How to do that? First, to make double space, we can copy or we can block our paragraph that we want to double the space, and we can just click format and select line and paragraph spacing, and in here you can see there is double. You can also using custom, just select double here in any case you want to double the space. Okay, after you double this space, you can also just save this double space setting. When you create another document, it will using this configuration. How to do that? Just select formats, and after that select paragraph and styles here. Okay, and select options and save as my default style. Just click here. Your default style have been saved. You can undo this if you don't want to make as default. But let's create a new document and let's typing the paragraph here. You can see the space is double like the others before. Okay, you can also custom this into the format and select line and paragraph spacing, and you can select custom spacing. Okay, if you want to remove the spacing before paragraph, you can set also 0 here and just click apply. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to double space in Google Docs or Google Documents. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.